So I brought my truck into Linex to get it sprayed, and they were nice enough to get some footage so I could post it here for you guys to see the process. So they sprayed the 4 different parts. We had the roof off, the main body, the rear hatch that you could see right here, and then the front hatch inside were all taken off so they could be sprayed individually. This is the bottom of the roof. And this here's the top. You'll see the black marks where all the screws went in. These guys did an awesome job at covering up any marks that this was wood and made it seem like it was one piece. This here's the main body. Those black stripes he's about to paint over, those are foam pads that are used to protect the truck from the camper when you're putting it on and off. I had a problem with the hatch not closing because it was a bit tight, so painting over that gave it a few extra millimeters, and it was just enough to get the hatch open and closed. The front hatch is what you're looking at right here that they're painting over, and it's the perfect size for the rear window of my Titan, and the kids especially can crawl in and out of there without getting out. This is the outside compartment. So right now it fits a 20-pound propane tank, but they're spraying the inside so anything in there that's wet will come out instead of going into the trailer. This is still just a prototype. The idea is I want it to last and I want to get some good use out of it, but I want to build something way better out of aluminum framing. I just don't want to spend that kind of money right off the bat and realize in a year's time that I should have built it this way or that way. So with the wood construction, it's a lot easier to change some of the stuff inside, and the Linex is just to weatherproof it. If anybody wants to see this spraying in real time, just leave a comment and I'll post that video separately. In the next video, I'll do a quick walk around so you guys can see what it looks like at this stage, and then go over a few things that I'll be doing in the next stages.